Hello, attorney Nouvelle Gonzalo here, offices Miami, Florida, Gainesville, Florida, and Cleveland, Ohio. And I want to talk with you a little bit about agreeing on the purchase price when you're talking about buying or selling a business. And once you agree on that price, we're talking about how is it going to be funded. This is extremely important because for legal counsel, we put together what's called a funds flow statement. So we need to know how are the funds going to come from the buyer and get to the seller. And so we identify each of the sources of the funds and the amount that are coming from those funds and how they're going to be distributed to the seller actually in the transaction who is selling the company. And in terms of the types of financing that exist, this is financial from the bank, so bank loans or SBA loans that are also in conjunction with the bank, but it's a specific type of bank loan if one qualifies. Also, seller financing is an option, so the seller is able to allow the buyer to pay it back in certain amounts. Investor financing from investors, also deferred payments such as installment payments, so payments over time. And this is very helpful for lessening the tax impact that a seller realizes by receiving installment payments a little bit at a time versus an entire lump sum that they'll have to pay tax on after the fact. So also working capital adjustments. So when you buy the company, there oftentimes are allotments to the buyer for working capital to be able to get started and to transition into business. Or it could be a combination of these things. So thinking through, how are you going to pay for the purchase of that company and where those funds coming from? Okay, well that's it. Stay informed and stay ahead.